Hi, lovely people. How are you? My day is doing fantastic because we got the April 2019 Tribe Beauty Box. So I almost forgot. Make sure you leave in the comments down below how your day is going. I'm just so excited to get this that I can't believe I didn't say that. Excuse me. So this is a bi-monthly box. So every other month, this is $34.99. And let me tell you what is on here. I'm looking on my phone, what you would get every month. So it's $34.99. You get 5 full-size makeup products with worth over $100. So you're guaranteed to get retail value over $100. And in the box, you always get 1 face product, 1 skin prep product, 1 eye product, 1 lip product, and 1 tool. So essentially, you're supposed to get everything in here to do a complete face. So let's just get started. This just got here today. So I don't even know what's in here. I'm actually cutting the box now. All right. So this is what it looks like when you open her up. Ooh, I see something right now that I like. All right, so this just says, let's skip to summer. So it tells you what everything is, and it does give you prices, which is good. So the first thing that I am definitely excited to get is a beauty blender. So I know these are $20, and this is actually my favorite color. So that's when I see that, I'm like, yes, ma'am. All right, what does it say? Just says, this is the Just Chill blender. It is $20, and you just wet it. This is what I usually do. So I put it under there, I squeeze it out, and then when I'm done, I really squeeze it, and then I take a paper towel and I put the beauty blender in the paper towel and squeeze it again to get the excess water off, and then that's when I use it. So I'm so excited to get that. Oh, right here it says Just Chill. Last month, they curated with the YouTuber Porcelain, which was a really great box. So this box is really getting good. Then we have the Radical Glam Brow Dark Ash Brown. Oh, I don't think that's going to be my shade. So this is an eyebrow pencil. It's going to be a little bit too red, but I'll look at it and see. This is, where you be? Okay, so this is $26. I don't know. Let's see. It's kind of hard when, everybody has different color hair, different color eyebrows, different skin complexions to kind of like, to match everybody. So you have the spoolie. Let's see. Let me do a little swatch. Oh, you know what? This might actually work. Okay, I thought it would be more red, but it's like a dark brown. I like to use like a charcoal color, which is like a blackish gray, because I have very dark eyebrows. But this is going to work, so that's exciting. This isn't going to work for everybody. Like if you have light color hair, it's not going to work for you. So I don't know, maybe you get a different color. I'm not sure. But all right, so we got that's $26. My favorite one I use is NYX, and NYX is what? $7, $10? I don't remember how much it is. And I love it. That's my favorite one. So I don't think I would pay $26 for an eyebrow pencil, but I'm excited that we get it in the box though. I'm definitely excited. Oh, this is from the Bomb. This is Sexy Mama. What is this? This is a highlighter. Right there. So this is definitely exciting. This is, what is this one? Sexy Mama Anti-Shine. Oh, this is translucent powder that is $20. All right. So that's what it looks like. I just love their packaging. So that's definitely exciting. I've never tried this before. And this is definitely full size. So let me see. Oh, okay. It's like a peachy color, which is great. I'm glad it's not like a white color. Oh, that's perfect for me. I like this a lot. This will match a lot of people because it's like a peachy color. So I'm definitely excited for that. Then we have another, okay, this is the Manizer Sister. So this is the highlighting palette, which I was eyeing this before, so I'm excited to get this as well. So this is $28. This is a really good box. All right. I see you, Tribe. I see you. All right, so it comes with a mirror, and then it comes with these shades here. So it comes with the most popular shades. So you have Mary Luminizer, you have Cindy Luminizer, and you have Betty Lou. All right, well, let me swatch them. I've only tried the Mary Lou. I haven't tried the pinkish one, and of course the other one will definitely be too dark for me, but I can definitely use that as an eyeshadow. Ooh, yes. Yes, right there. Look at them. I've tried this one before. I haven't tried the pink one or the bronze. That would definitely be a good eyeshadow for me. Oh, that's exciting. Yes, yes, and yes. All right, and then last but not least, we have, what should be? We have this Bellapierre 12 Color Pro Lip Palette. All right, let's see. Bellapierre is usually expensive. This would be, so it's $50. I'm not going to open this because I don't tend to use palettes like this for the lips. I know there are a lot of people that do because they like to mix and match and make their custom shade. But I know if I open this, I won't really use it. So I'll definitely put this in a giveaway. But those colors are beautiful. And I'm glad stuff like this is in a subscription box because you can customize the shades that you want. And you know how like if you get a single lipstick and it's like sometimes if it's too light, you know, you can't use it. You look dead in it depending on your complexion. If it's too dark, some people don't like it. Some people don't like brownish tones, reds. With this, you can make your own custom shade. So anybody can use this, any color. So I am definitely excited that they put stuff like this in a box. So let's recap what we got. So this was $50. We have, which one is this? This is the translucent powder. That's 20, so that's what, 70. Then we have this palette of the highlighters from the Balm. That was what, 28, so that's 70, 80, 90, 98. Then we have this, what do you call it? Eyebrow pencil. That's 26. So 98, 108, 118. I don't know. We're up there. We're over $120. And we have the Beauty Blender, which is 20. So right there, we're definitely over the $100 mark. So for $34 every other month, I think it's great. I'll count everything up and leave it in the description box. That way you know how much everything came to. But yeah, let me know, what do you think of this box? I think it's great. I think that this company is getting better and better, and I'm so happy for them. The owner's name is Billy. I will leave the link down below if you want to check it out. But if you're wondering what is on my eyes, I am wearing the chinchilla, that's an animal, and the Chantilly Cosmetics Suns Out, Burns Out palette, which I really like this. I did a haul video and I have a giveaway in there, so make sure you check that out. So this comes with a mirror, and these are the colors. I mean, this is like, they say a dupe for, what do you call that? The Sunset palette, the Natasha Denona. And I have both palettes, and I really like this. This is $25, but I believe they have it on sale for $20. And I'll leave it down below, but I really love this palette so much. I mean, it's definitely, I think I got it for like, it was 50% off when I got it that one time. And I really, really, really like this palette so much. So I'm definitely excited that I got that. I'll put that little piece in later. And then on my lips, I am wearing, this is from Pure and Glam Cosmetics. I mean, I love, look, I mean, look at this. Look how small. This was like real big. And I have this all over my lips, and then I was like, that's way too dark. I went in with the Ofra Nude Potion lipstick, and I just put it like right in the center to lighten it up because it was way too dark for this eye look. And then I'm really into like lip gloss lately, so I have the Fenty Beauty one, and this is the first one. I don't remember the shade. It's too small for me to read. I can't read that. Can you guys see that? Fenty Glowed, is that what it says? And I have that on top, which this is probably my favorite lip gloss of all time. I really, really like this lip gloss. It's not sticky or anything. So yeah, that's everything. I don't know if there's anything else I have to say. Yeah, make sure you leave a comment down below. What do you think of the Tribe Beauty Box this month? Like I said, it's every other month for $34.99. I have a code down below if you want to check it out. Let me know all the tea what you think of it. For me, it's definitely getting better each time that I get it, so that's exciting. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And make sure you like this video. It really helps me out. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.